Hey guys, thank you so much for being here. This journey video is going to be a little bit different. I've been working really hard for a couple weeks to gather the videos, to share this moment properly. We were unplugged in Oregon and we felt that it was time to tell Emily about Ross adopting her. This is not about my story on just how much I went through to have this beautiful baby girl, or about Ross and how amazing he is to step into this role and be her father. But this is about Emily and just showing her how much she's loved and just telling her the truth during this time. And it all started with a release of all parental rights from her biological father in April of 2011. Emily was 2 years old. Hope you enjoy.
Well, you and Melissa are moving real soon, so there's just something for you guys for your move.
Open it up.
No, you open it. You open it.
Do I get some money?
Is it the... What, he signed it? How did that happen? When did you do that?
This week.
Oh.
Congratulations.
She's officially going to be yours.
She's slightly used. Still runs new.
And I was like, no problem? Hey, stop crying, dude. You're mine.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are gone. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through and through.
You have to make the noise.
No limit to what we can do. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Their tongues can.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Try to go straight right here, okay?
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Gosh, that's still really hard.
Yeah, I know, it's stiff. Hold on.
Here, I can hold the camera.
There you go. There you go. Okay, now remember, you gotta pull back.
No, I'm still not strong enough for that.
It's okay. Remember, once I pull this, you're hot, okay?
Yeah, range is hot.
Range is hot. Okay, and remember, do not stick your finger in the trigger yet until you are ready. You got what you want? You went through because I saw the dust go through the other side. I got it that time. Okay, so me and my trusted shooting partner here.
This is my first shot right here. Right in the center.
Yeah, her first shot right there in that 22. Good job. You got that down. Now you just can't pull back.
Yeah, I'm not strong enough to do that yet. I don't think I hit it. I think it veered off too much.
You did it!
No way.
Where'd you hit it? You hit it somewhere. Did it just bounce off of it?
It must have.
You hit it.
I hit it, yeah. I'm gonna aim for the other paper plate. So you might not believe this, but it's true. On my very first shot, right there.
What? Good job, babe.
It startled me at first, but then I was like, wait a second. And then I run over there and it's like right in the center. I'm like, what? It's my first shot.
That's awesome. Is that something you want to do again?
Yeah.
Thank you for making it all the way to the end of this video. We are so thankful that you shared this special moment with us. Don't forget to hit that like button, the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and that notification bell so you know the next time we post a video. See you guys at the next one.